वेलकम टू साइबर हीरो। मैं साइबर हीरो तुम्हारा दिल से स्वागत करता हूँ। होप इट्स ऑल गोइंग गुड। तो आज का वीडियो होगा लास्ट इस लिनक्स सीरीज का, जिसे हम ग्रैंड फाइनल कहेंगे। तो यहाँ तक अगर आपने सीरीज कंप्लीट देखी है तो थैंक यू आपके लिए, और मुझे उम्मीद है आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा। आई होप दैट। सो लास्ट वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था ग्रुप मैनेजमेंट। वाई वी डिस्कस ग्रुप मैनेजमेंट, हाउ टू ऐड ए ग्रुप, how to add a user to a group, what are the types of group। तो हमने वो डिटेल में देख लिया था। उसके बाद आता है परमिशन एंड एक्सेस कंट्रोल। एज यू ऑल आर अवेयर ऑफ दैट, इफ यू हैव सीन माय प्लेलिस्ट, दैट I have created a separate dedicated video for this permission and access control. If you have not watched that, I requested you to go to that video and check out that. Then come back to this video. Here we can go. What is sudo authentication and password policy? First I will tell you what is the difference between sudo versus su. So su switches users identity often to root. Sudo runs a single command with elevated privilege according to etc sudo's policy. What does that mean? Let's have a practical look. Here I am a normal user. If I had to run an apt update something, it's that needs a root privilege. For example, if I had to change directory, desktop, cd desktop, now I will check on it's and pd. It's a normal user. What if I had to use this command as in sudo permission? How? If I had to use only this command for a particular time, for this execution time consider, then I can use sudo cd. Let me come back. Let me see what is inside event.txt. Let me come back. Let me check my directory. Good, fine. Now if I had to go for user, sudo cd desktop, sudo command not found cd. What happened? So are you kidding me? No, we use it. Sudo su. Why didn't it run? Sudo apt update for here it works. I don't need to update right now. What is the difference between this? What I did a mistake in last time. I go for simply cd change directory, but I have to run these commands which support sudo. So the difference between sudo and su, sudo and after that command, or another way is there sudo su. What is the difference between this? Will give the root privileges for a particular command execution, but this will give the root user for the shell. As you see here, I use sudo apt update. If I will use direct apt update, I will show you what will be show apt update. How you get could not open log file or permission denied. Here you can see the permission denied clearly. I cannot run this file without sudo permission. Then I will use sudo apt update. By this I am using root privilege for a particular execution of a command, sudo apt update. Now this will run, but I don't need this. Another way is there sudo su. Now I am in root user. The shell cover is now root user. Here I cannot directly run apt update. I hope you are getting it. Let me clear my screen. So I hope you got the what is the difference between sudo and su. Then we will see the what next comes. Here then we saw the sudo authentication. We saw authentication PA private mode flexible SMV PED files password a complex thing. This time we don't need this. Best practice security tips. Let's see what are these. Prefer sudo over enabling root login is what I told you. This will be the best way. Use groups to manage access as we have discussed them already. This will log on user accounts more default to human users. Enforce strong password policy. If it is not visible, let me zoom it for you so it will be clear. The security tips inform security policy. You can take screenshot and read out what is use SSH authentication dissolve password for SSH when possible. An important point is to remember, understand the etc password, etc shadow rules, formats, know how to create, modify, remove users and group, user group वगैरह 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 वगैरह. तो ये सब हमने पढ़ लिया है. तो यहाँ से हमारा वीडियो ख़त्म हो गया. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस प्लेलिस्ट. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. सी यू.